Hello students, in this audio presentation I am going to solve previous year questions from the topic nuclear fission of NTA NET. Let's start with the very first question. So the question is, a typical fission reaction involving an atom of uranium-235 leads to a mass defect of 0.37 into 10 power minus 27 kg. How much energy is going to be released by 1 gram of uranium 235? And the options for this question is 3.33 into 10 power minus 11 megajoule. Option 2, 2.23 into 10 power 12 megajoule. Option 3, 2.56 into 10 power 4 megajoule. Option 4, 8.53 into 10 power 4 megajoule. And the correct answer for this question is 8.53 into 10 power 4 megajoule. So basically, what is nuclear fission? Let's discuss this very briefly. Nuclear fission is a radioactive decay of heavier nuclei into lighter nuclei, and this reaction produces energy in the form of neutrons. And this reaction is the basis of the mass and energy continuum, that is E equals to mc square, in which this mass produces energy. So let's see how we'll solve this question. In this question, what we have to do is we have to calculate the energy produced. We'll solve this in two steps. That is, first we'll calculate the energy produced by one atom by splitting of one atom. That is, how much energy is produced. Energy is produced by the splitting of one atom. And then what we'll do is we'll multiply it with the total number of atoms. Total number of atoms. And this will give us the total energy. So in the given question, the mass defect is 0.37 into 10 power minus 27 kg, and the amount of uranium 235 is 1 gram. So what we will do is we'll basically calculate the energy of one atom, that is E equals to mc square, and in the given question the mass defect is 0.37. We'll use this uh, as a mass. So energy is equal to 0.37 into 10 power minus 27, here the mass defect, and c square, it is c is the speed of light, c is speed of light. So its value is 3 into 10 power 8, and the whole square of 3 into 10 power 8 is, and we'll solve this equation here, which is equal to E is equal to 0.37 into 10 power minus 27 into 9 into 10 power 16. So by solving this we'll get this. So the energy of one atom is is energy of one atom is sorry energy of one atom, energy of one atom is 3.33 into 10 power minus 11 joule. And now we'll calculate the total number of atoms present in 1 gram of uranium 235, and what we have to do is we have to multiply the Avogadro's number into the total number of moles, and moles will be calculated by the given mass of the uranium upon the molecular weight. This will give us the number of moles, which will be then multiplied to Avogadro's number to obtain the total number of atoms present in 1 gram of uranium. So the given mass is 1 gram, and the molecular weight is 235. We'll use this again in this equation. So by 1 upon 235 into 6.023 into 10 power 23, this is Avogadro's number, is equal to 0.042 into 0.6.023 into 10 power 23 is equal to 0.026 into 10 power 23. Now we have both, that is the total number of atoms, and energy of one atom. So by multiplying these two, we can easily get the total energy. So in this energy of one atom into number of atoms, so we got the energy obtained by one atom is here, and the number of atoms we'll put it here. So 3.33 into 10 power minus 11 into 0.025026 0.026 into 10 power 23 is equal to 0.08658 into 10 power 12. So now we have to do is we have to convert this joule into megajoule. So 1 megajoule, so the conversion is that 1 megajoule is equal to 10 power 6 joules. So the answer of this question will be 8.65 into 10 power 4 megajoule. So what we have to do is we have to select the closest answer to this closest option to this answer, and the answer is 8.53 into 10 power 4 megajoule. This is one way of solving it. What we have to do in this question is we can solve it stepwise. That is, in the first step we have to calculate the amount of energy produced from one atom, and then we have to calculate in the second step. What we have to do is calculate the number of atoms, and then by multiplying the number of atoms and the energy produced by one atom, you can get the total energy. We'll see another approach to a similar question that was asked in previous year question of NTA NET. So let's move on to the next question. So the question is, in a nuclear fission reaction involving uranium 235 and a slow neutron, the mass defect is found to be 0.23 unit. How much energy will be released from 5 gram of uranium 235? And the options are 426.7 gigajoule, option 2 85.3 gigajoule, option 3 170.6 gigajoule, option 4 42.6 gigajoule, and the correct answer is 426.7 gigajoule. In this question, what we have, the mass defect is given as 0.223 unit, and this, the value of this u is given in the question itself, that is here, that is 1, what is 0.223 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. So this is your mass defect for this question. So let's see how we'll solve this question. So by multiplying this, the mass defect will be this. The given in the given question, the question, the given value for mass defect is 0.223 unit, and we have seen earlier that the value for u is given in the question itself, which is equal to 1.66 into 10 power 27, and the amount of uranium 235 is 5 gram. So what we have to do is, we to get the mass defect, we'll multiply the 0.223 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 27. So the mass defect is 0.03791 into 10 power minus 27 kgs, and the energy from one atom is, to calculate the energy from one atom, we'll use this formula, that is E equals to mc square. And what we can do is, we have seen the stepwise approach for the very similar question in the previous question. In this, what we'll do is, we'll directly multiply both, that is, we'll calculate the number of atoms, that is total number of atoms, and energy and energy produced this in the same step, energy produced from a single atom in a single step, as earlier, then as I have earlier told you in the previous slide itself, that a number of moles will be calculated by the given weight, that is 5 gram upon 235, that is the molecular weight of uranium 235 mc. The value of m is calculated, and we'll put this value here, c 3 into 10 power 8, and that is speed of light. 3 into 10 power 8 is Avogadro's number, 6.023 into 10 power 23. Now what we have to do is, we have to put this and multiply it together, and we'll get the value. So what we have done is, the given weight of uranium 235 is 5 gram. 5 multiplied into Avogadro's number into the mass defect into speed of, after squaring the speed of light, what will obtain is 9 into 10 to the power 16, and divided by 235, that is molecular weight of the uranium 235. By solving it, we'll get this value, and as 1 will, and after solving this, we'll get this for 37.19, and what is 1 gigajoule is equal to 10 to the power 9 joules. This is the equivalence of joule to gigajoule. 1 gigajoule equals to 10 power 9 joules. So it is how we'll solve this question. This type of question is asked frequently in NTA net. So it is a very simple question with direct approach or indirect approach. You can easily solve this question. Thank you for listening.